Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. My name is Harley Rogers, and in today's video, I've done this prom makeup look today for you guys. I mean, it could just be for prom, or it could be for a wedding or any special occasion, but today, because I think prom is coming up, I think it's in June. I don't know. My brother has prom soon. He's doing his exams and then he has prom. So I gather it's coming up. I looked on YouTube and people have done prom looks recently. I don't know if that's because it's based in America, but I've done it early. Good for me, good for you. Just so you can have some early inspiration if you want to copy this look. But yeah, that is it. So I really hope you enjoy this video. So I will see you in the next bit. Bye. So excuse the tape on my face. This is so I can do the eyeshadow look properly. So it has a nice clean cut like this one. As you can see, I've already done my eyes and my brows, so we can just jump straight into the eyeshadow today. So for today's look, I'm using the Folklore Sweet as Honey eyeshadow palette, and I absolutely love this palette. Like, there's so many different colour varieties to choose from. We've got your reds, your purples. I've done a review on this before, and I really love the palette. It's pigmented. The formula of the eyeshadows are very creamy and buttery, and they blend really nicely as well, so that's always a plus. And it's also got like just all the shades you need. It's got a white and it's got a black, which is always very, very helpful in an eyeshadow palette, which I absolutely love about this. And yeah, you can just create lots of different looks with this, so I love it. So we can just jump straight into the video now. So I'm going to start off with the shade Turkish Rose, which is this purple shade right here, and I'm also going to mix it with Myrtle, which is the black shade at the bottom. So we're going to mix those together, and on my pencil brush right here, we are going to apply this into the crease. If you can hear a bell, that's my cat's collar. She's got a new collar and it's really loud, so we call her Mrs. Loud Collar. Don't ask why, but that is the reason. Okay, you need to stop, Cleo, because it's really loud. I'm really, really sorry, I can't stop her. So by adding the purple into the black, it's going to make the colour even darker. Obviously, I mean, what else would it do? We're going to go lighter with it. So here we go. So we've got a darker shade of purple than the actual colour shows itself. Also, look how pigmented it is on my lid. It's so good. And then we're going to take on a fluffy brush. We're going to take that same Turkish Rose shade, but we're not going to dip it into the black. We're just going to apply it onto the brush and then just apply it on top very lightly and gently, and slowly start to blend it out. So now we've got the transition from the dark purple into the lighter purple, and then for an even better transition, we are going to go next to the shade next door from Turkish Rose, which is Pale Chestnut, which is this light purpley pink shade right here. And on a really small, fluffy, detailed brush, we are going to apply this on top of the purple eyeshadow. So now that's all blended, I'm going to take the white shade called Cosmic Latte from the same palette, and with a big fluffy brush I like to go up across the very top towards my brow bone with the white shade, just so it blends the whole thing together. It makes it look seamless. Then what we're going to do is cut the crease, and just using a flat shader brush with concealer on it, I'm taking my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Fair, and I'm going to be applying this all across my lid just to cut the crease. A little trick I like to do, which everyone does, is if you look up, it looks really weird, but if you look up, it gives you the shape of where your crease is meant to be cut, or where your cut crease is. Then what we're going to do is go from the darkest shade we use to the lightest in a sort of diagonal shape order to create also a transition on the lid, as we've done here. If you can see, it's gone from dark to light and then to the shimmery shade, which we'll move on to afterwards. So I had to adjust my camera a bit because it was like all the way up there, so it, like I was like struggling to get into the screen. I'm taking the shade Khaki, which is this shimmery shade right here, like a champagne colour. I don't know why it's called Khaki because it's not green, but oh well, we'll just ignore it. I like the pigmented, no, the shimmery shades, but they are quite messy and there's a lot of kickback from them, but they are such beautiful shimmery shades. You see what I mean? Do you see all the fallout that comes out? It's gonna go into my eye. And most of it falls on my face and doesn't struggle and doesn't really stick to my eye, but it's doing okay. Doing the job. Okay, so now the best bit where we take off the tape and reveal a bit of a mess. No, it's fine. Ta-da! So what I'm going to do next is lashes. Well, I've already got one lash on, but so the second lash to put on, I've got this lash right here. It's called Suso lashes from Primark in the shade Dubai. No, in this shade, in the style Dubai. And they're just really lovely lashes and they're so easy to put on, so comfortable to wear as well. Use some glue. I'm using the Duo eyelash glue in the white shade. I can never find the black one anywhere. But I feel like with the white one you can tell when it's set, like when it's tacky and ready to use. So while I wait for that to dry, I'm just going to use the Collection Fast Stroke eyeliner and just do a simple black line across my lid. No wing today, just a black line. And then top that off with some mascara. I'm using the Collection, again the Collection. This is not sponsored by Collection. I'm just very poor and I own a lot of things from Collection because they're so affordable. I'm going to coat my lashes with this mascara. This mascara isn't great, but it's cheap. And it does coat my lashes a little bit. Just enough for falsies. Okay, so what I like to do when I put on lashes is I look down into the mirror. Make sure they're above my real lashes. Line it up too. And then they're on. These ones are so easy to put on, I love them. I need to buy some more in like another style as well. I've tried lots of different styles, but this style is beautiful as well. And that's it. So the eyes are done for now, so let's move on to the face. So for foundation, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Foundation in the shade 115. I'm nearly running out of this stuff. I just ordered some more, but we'll use a little bit today. Put the excess on my face because we're not wasting any of this. And then I'm looking in the viewfinder to apply this, if you're wondering where I'm looking. But I will look in the mirror for closer detail when I'm done most of my face. So that is the foundation on. So next I'm going on to concealer. I'm using my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Fair. And we're just going to apply this under the eyes, forehead, down the bridge of the nose and chin. Next part of the face, I'm taking the Collection, again Collection, this is a constant running theme, the pressed powder in the shade Candlelight. This one's a bit too dark for my skin, but do I care? No. No, I don't. I've hit pan. I've hit pan. Can you see it? I can see it. It's the most depressing thing in the world when you hit pan. It's awful. So I'm just going to avoid that area. That's how I deal with problems, I just avoid it. So now that the face is all nice and matte and covered and all the blemishes are gone, we can move on back to the eyes. So what I'm going to do is simply just take the same shades that I used on my top of my eye and just run them underneath my under eye. It's that simple, guys. That bloody simple. Fallout City. Shit. Do you see that on my face? That's not good. That's not good at all. Wah. We're going to try and highlight the inner corner with that same shade Khaki. I have a feeling it won't be very pigmented, but we're going to give it a go. Oh no, okay, I'm wrong. That's pigmented as hell. I will admit when I'm wrong. I'm meant to be doing one of my mum's work friends' makeup for their wedding, and I think I'm going to do this look. Because yeah, this is a prom look, but this will also be a wedding look. I think I would tone it down a bit though. I always go really dramatic and heavy, but I think for her I might make it a little bit more toned down, calm, and like not so glam. It's up to her anyway, so whatever she wants. A lot of pressure though doing someone's makeup for their wedding day. Kind of shit myself over it, but it's good practice. Okay, so the eyes are done. I just coated my bottom lashes with some mascara. It's not something you really need to see because it's really boring in my opinion. So to contour and bronze, I'm once again using the Maybelline New York City bronzer. So we're just going to contour those cheekbones. Oh, you okay, sweetheart? Did you hear that? I think that was a fart from my cat. Or she was snoring, I don't know. It just came out of nowhere, or it's her belly. I should really be wearing my Minnie Mouse headband. I forgot to put it on today. Now I feel like it's too late to put on. This is sad times. Then I'm going to do a little bit of nose contouring. Because for prom you want to look snatched as fuck. I haven't really told you about when I went to prom. I went with one of my best friends, one of my guy best friends. My sister did my makeup for me because I wasn't into makeup back then. I literally got into makeup like, honestly, it was like after my dad died, I think, and I just needed something to get into. I mean, I had my music and my singing, but like I also discovered like a new love for makeup, and I was watching makeup videos, and then I was just practicing and practicing. And then, yeah, now I've got to where I am today with makeup, and I'm actually very impressed with my makeup skills half the time. Sometimes I think, Harley, no. But yeah, no, I'm very like happy with how far I've come. I mean, it's been nearly 4 years now since my dad passed away, and it's around that time since I've started doing makeup. So yeah, since I've started posting makeup videos on my channel, so it's been a while. But no, my prom was alright. The after party was more fun-ish anyway. But it was a good time, a long time ago too. So I didn't go to, usually they have a, well, they do a sixth form prom, but I did 1 year of sixth form and then I left and went to work instead because I didn't really enjoy it and I didn't do very well. Only did well in music. So yeah, that's my little story time. So for blush, I'm taking the Revolution Sugar and Spice blush palette. And I'm going to take this corally pink shade right here. And we're just going to blush up the cheeks a bit. Sorry if you can hear my phone going off. It goes do 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 do, like the Mario thing, you know, do 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 do. Love it. So for highlight, we're going to go in with the same palette and use the highlight shade right here. It's running out. I'm just running out of all highlighters and I just dropped my fan brush. Look at that glow. Woo, woo. Look at that. I love it. I just love a good highlight. Okay, so that is the face done. Now we're going to move on to lips, and I have a dilemma because I have no idea what to use because I lost all my lipsticks, really, all my really good lipsticks when I told you about it last time, and I lost my whole bag. Still heartbroken over all of that, the fact that my makeup's gone, like my lipsticks. So we're just going to try something different today. I've got a whole box here still. I mean, I complain about losing my lipsticks, but I've still got a whole box full. Cat. I love you. Love you. So yeah. I mean, I got this one from NYX, the NYX liquid shade. We could just go in with a nude. I mean, I'm not going to go with any other colour in mine, let's be honest. But also I've got these, although I don't think they'll match very well. I don't know. I don't know. Let's just try going with this NYX one in the shade Sandstorm. It is the NYX Liquid Suede Lipstick. Oh, I like that. I like that a lot. Cool. The struggle is over. So that is it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed. I hope you are happy with this look as much as I'm happy with how this look turned out. Yeah, this is just, it's some inspiration for anyone. If they want to do their prom makeup like this, then they are more than welcome to. Obviously, it's a free country. Not really, but, you know, whatever. Just don't know what I'm talking about anymore. It's awful. But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed, and if you like this video, please make sure to like it and to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.